everyone, welcome back to my channel. During the 1950s and 1960s, rice production was low and sweet potatoes were staple food on the dinner table of Chinese people. Sweet potatoes contain almost no protein and high starch content, but are rich in vitamin C, a variety of minerals, and a large amount of dietary fiber. Compared to refined food, it has a better health promotion effect. Sweet potatoes have also changed from low-cost staple food to healthy food. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, sweet potatoes can replenish qi, promote fluid production, and relieve constipation. Today's recipe is sweet potatoes congee. Let's get started. 2 potatoes, 150 grams, peeled. Cut into pieces. Set aside. 50 grams of rice, washed. Add rice, potatoes to the pot. Add 1000 milliliters of water. Cover and cook for 25 minutes. Turn off the heat. Delicious sweet potato congee is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.